Unit 1, Diversity in the Living World. Biology is the science of life forms and living processes. The living world comprises an amazing diversity of living organisms. Early man could easily perceive the difference between inanimate matter and living organisms. Early man defined some of the inanimate matter, wind, sea, fire, etc., and some among the animals and plants. A common features of all such forms of inanimate and animate objects was the sense of awe or fear that they evoked. The description of living organisms include human beings begin much later in human history. Societies which indulged in anthropocentric view of biology could register limited progress in biological knowledge. Systematic and monumental description of life forms brought in, out of necessity, detailed systems of identification, nomenclature, and classification. The biggest spin of such studies was the recognition of the sharing of similarities among living organisms both horizontally and vertically, that all present-day living organisms are related to each other and also to all organisms that ever lived on this earth was a revelation which humbled man and led to the cultural movement for conservation of biodiversity. In the following chapters of this unit, you will get a description, including classification of animals and plants from a taxonomist perspective.
Okay, I've got it. So this paragraph is about biology and the living world around us. It talks about how early humans noticed the difference between things that are alive and things that aren't. They were amazed by nature and even scared of some parts of it, like fire and the sea. But later on, people started studying living things more closely and realized that all living things are connected in some way. This understanding made people want to protect nature and all the different kinds of life on Earth. Does that make sense so far?